Welcome! I could not be more excited to be welcoming you all to our inaugural Linnovation webinar. We couldn't be more delighted to launch this new product-focused initiative, which focuses the hearts and minds on Linnworks and SkuVault products. My name is Georgia Laybourne, and I am the Chief Marketing Officer here at Linnworks. We want to understand the markets in which you are operating, and we want to make sure that we are putting as much functionality as possible into the Linnworks platform to ensure that it's hitting the mark and helping to make commerce easier for you and easier for your employees. A primary objective that we've had is to bring the Linnworks and the SkuVault platforms ever closer. We want these two products to sync together and be seamlessly connected. We want to bring on strategically critical integrations that are the most in demand, that you guys are asking for. And on top of that, we've been adding functionality right at the heart of the solution. So to bring you this detail, I am joined by my colleague, Simon Curd, our esteemed Chief Product Officer. Simon, over to you.
Thank you, Georgia. And before getting started, I'd like to introduce you to our new community portal. This is a place where you can connect with other Linnworks customers. As a member of this community, you'll get access to all the latest product content and resources, discussions with our network of customers from warehouse managers to CEOs, and access to events both in person and online. On the customer portal, we have a dedicated space for discussing innovation where you can talk to other customers or ask our team any questions about what you see here today. I look forward to seeing you there. Moving on to the agenda, today I'll be covering 4 topics. First, a reminder of our vision at Linnworks and our commitment to serving our customers. 2, some major updates that will help you master your operations. 3, some smaller updates that have a big impact. And 4, a look ahead at our roadmap for the rest of the year. When it comes to company vision, it's very simple. Linnworks is on a mission to make commerce easier for all, to simplify commerce operations so the world's sellers can grow their businesses. This is at the heart of how both our products and our business develops. From the product side, it informs how we choose which new channels to integrate with and which features we prioritize. And throughout our business, this is keenly felt in how each member of our teams is advocating for the needs of our customers every day, looking for ways to make their commerce experience better. Before I go on, I'd just like to take a minute to say thank you for all the positive reviews we've received on G2. Thanks to your feedback, G2 has awarded Linnworks with 5 new badges this year, classing Linnworks in 2024 as a leader in many categories. We take this recognition really seriously, and it really helps us to validate that we're on the right path. To customers, reviews play an important part in the research into which solution they choose to power their business. So if you'd like to give us a review on G2 or any other review site, letting us know how the product has had an impact on your business, please do. We would love to hear it. So let's talk about product innovation in 2024. First on the agenda is order management for SkuVault. Order management has long been a strength of the Linnworks platform, enabling customers to bring together orders from multiple channels, providing a place to modify, split, combine, and route orders with confidence that those changes will be reflected back onto the channel they originated on. Customers often say that without this feature set, they couldn't scale their businesses beyond a couple of channels. So as we were speaking with our SkuVault customers about what they needed most to scale their businesses, the consistent feedback was a broader set of order management features. And so I'm really pleased to announce that our SkuVault customers can now leverage our new order management add-on, which works seamlessly with their existing inventory and warehouse processes. Adding order management to your SkuVault account brings all of the stated benefits of centralized order management, but also provides access to a host of new channels to sell your products through, such as TikTok and Michaels. This enables SkuVault customers to both streamline operations and also expand into new channels to grow their businesses. For more information on this, check out our Order Management for SkuVault Masterclass on July 25th. You can sign up by scanning this QR code. This session will provide details of how order management expands the existing features of SkuVault, how to automate order routing and workflows, the range of new selling channels available to expand your customer base and reach new shoppers, and a live demo and QA session. We're really excited about this update to the product. My second update is about our native connector for QuickBooks Online for Linnworks. Through our customer research and insights, there was a clear opportunity to simplify accounting integrations. So I'm really pleased to announce that we've introduced a native Linnworks connector for QuickBooks Online for UK and US customers. Connecting Linnworks to QuickBooks greatly simplifies the work of keeping your accounting system updated with changes to your stock and orders, and an accurate view of cash and profitability in your business. It removes the need to manually move data around, gaining back time into your day. Linnworks automatically syncs orders, customers, inventory, purchase orders and suppliers into QuickBooks Online. This integration is currently available in open beta, and we will let you know over the coming weeks once it's fully released. It will be free to all customers using QuickBooks Online in the UK and the US, and we're pleased to share that through our partnership with QuickBooks, new customers to QuickBooks Online can use this QR code to receive 30% off their first 12 months. Next, I'm going to talk about some smaller features we've released in the last 6 months. Many of these were developed based on feedback from customers through the Ideas portal. First up is listing. We've introduced a new tool for bulk listing to eBay. Out of all the channels we support, eBay is the channel with the highest number of listings. Previously, customers were limited to creating 500 listings to eBay at a time, but we heard multiple times that this had reduced the speed at which they could onboard their catalogue to eBay. And so we built 2 new screens that would allow them to bulk list, enabling them to create thousands of listings in one go to multiple eBay accounts. In addition, it also provides better visibility into the status of the listing process. Next, for OMS, we made a number of useful improvements this year, including a better search experience, returning open orders search results faster and more accurately, and also better localization of date formats to make sure every screen is consistent with the format you prefer. In inventory management for Linnworks, we've expanded the functionality of purchase orders, enabling you to capture multiple deliveries for a single PO. We saw customers using a number of workarounds to achieve this before, so we were really keen to simplify that process. We've also added improvements to our mobile solution to help pickers know which tray to put the item into and improve the ordering of items in the pick waves. In shipping, we've released a number of features in H1. For example, for FedEx, we've added support for their new shipping services that are more consistent across their markets. For Amazon shipping, we now support providing delivery notes to carriers for orders that were placed outside of Amazon. And in addition, we've made a number of upgrades to our shipping connectors through H1, including upgrading our UPS connector. If you're looking to upgrade or expand your shipping options, we've got a host of webinars with key partners available on our website. Lastly, we passed an important milestone with our App Store last month, which now has more than 200 live applications and connectors. So far this year, more than 20 new apps and connectors have been published, and we're increasingly seeing new innovation from our ecosystem partners using the App Store to build their businesses. The App Store is a vital resource for customers and partners alike, benefiting customers with access to many valuable extensions and connectors to the Linnworks platform, and benefiting partners with a captive audience for their solutions. Next, I'd like to move on to talk through our primary focus for the rest of the year. And this is really concentrated in 2 major themes. 1, OMS and shipping experience, and 2, connector upgrades. On the first theme, one of the major differentiators of SkuVault is its support for complex kits, which is key for businesses who assemble products. As such, next on the list is to add support for kits into the SkuVault order management add-on. In addition, through our recent customer survey, we heard very clearly the ask for more streamlined shipping experience for SkuVault. So following up fast, we plan to expand access to the Linnworks shipping module to our SkuVault customers, making it easier to print, manifest and dispatch directly within the SkuVault application. Lastly, we will be making a number of improvements to how customers manage open orders, making it easier to sort and filter this screen to quickly narrow down to the specific set of orders for processing. We'll also be improving how we show order updates. The second theme of focus in H2 is connector upgrades. Our solution sits in the middle of our customers' technology stack, from the marketplaces, web shops and point-of-sale systems where our customers place their orders, through to the shipping and logistics solutions where those orders are fulfilled, plus the accounting and CRM solutions that need access to all those orders as well. As such, integration will always be a significant part of where we invest into our solutions. Through H2, we're making upgrades across the board. We're making significant upgrades to our Amazon connectors for listing and FBA to take advantage of recent innovations Amazon have made. Our Walmart connector will be upgraded to the latest version. And in shipping, we've got upgrades coming to Royal Mail, FedEx, and also to UPS. And I'm really pleased to announce that we'll be releasing our native connector to TikTok in Q3. TikTok has proven to be one of the fastest growing channels for Linnworks customers in the last 12 months. So building on that success, we're making it a core part of the product. And through our new order management connector, this will be a channel that SkuVault customers will also have access to. In addition to these topics, we continue to make a steady stream of smaller feature improvements to help our customers be more efficient. As mentioned before, our ideas portal is a valuable source of inspiration for the product teams to understand what customers would value next. And to date, we've had many great ideas submitted. Now, while I can't promise that we're going to build them all, I can promise that we see them all and they factor into our product planning. So please do make your voice heard about what you'd value in the product next by logging in, voting for ideas, or submitting your own. You can access our ideas portal using the QR code on screen. All of the updates we covered today and a few more can be found on our Linnovation page, live now on our website.
Simon, thank you for that whistle-stop tour. That was just fantastic. Really, really appreciate it. I can't believe how much new stuff you've brought to the platform. It's brilliant. I'm actually struck by the diversity of what you're delivering. It's really quite impressive. What I heard today was you're answering to problems that an e-commerce manager is having, that a supply chain manager might be having, that users of the system might be having, and you are developing solutions to fix them. So it's pretty good to see all of this happening. But my question, which I am getting to, is how on earth do you figure out what to do next?
Well, the great thing, Georgia, is that we've got a really active community of customers providing us feedback in a variety of ways all the time, be that speaking with our support agents, be that feeding back through our various portals, or speaking to our pre-sales team. So we bring all of that feedback together and we listen to all of the suggestions that are made, and all of that goes into how we look forward into our roadmap, how we can deliver the most value to our customers and the biggest impact to their wider base.
It's huge. The plethora of stuff that we have to cover, it's pretty vast. So I think it's impressive that we're ticking so many boxes, and I take my hat off to all of you. My second question is related to perspective. So I've been on board about 9 months now. Loving it, great company, great trajectory. I think we've got some phenomenal things ahead of us. But you've been here about 3 years. So how has the company changed over time?
Yeah, the last 3 years have been a real whistle-stop tour for us. It's been a time of real change. We've obviously brought in the SkuVault business as part of Linnworks, which has given us amazing access to a whole range of new customers with new challenges in a new market. So it's been a real time of growth, both in terms of how we work with new partners, new customers and new challenges and opportunities to solve ever more complex problems, making businesses more efficient and helping them grow. So it's been really amazing.
And we're going to keep on going, if I'm not mistaken. So the thrust of it is, guys, we need your feedback and we need you to keep it coming. We'd really love it if you would continue to increase his task list. Tell us what you need, tell us what's working, tell us what's not, tell us your challenges. And you can do that in a variety of ways with our company. When you're interacting with sales or support staff, feedback to them. If you want to join one of our user groups, make sure you get onto our events page to figure out when they are and come and join us. You could also sign up for the Linnworks community portal that Simon mentioned earlier. We want to create a thriving community in there where not only we can talk to you and share great stuff with you about what's happening at our end, but you guys can cross-collaborate and figure out who's who and really start to grow your network and get some best practice from each other. We've also got those product notifications that we send out in the application itself to keep you informed of things that are going on. And we've got a suggestions portal. So keep the feedback coming. Keep us busy because we want to grow more. We want to increase the productivity of the solution for you guys, the innovation that we're bringing to you, and we want to continue to make commerce easier for you moving forward. Thank you for joining us today. From myself, from Simon, from our 250 employees, we look forward to seeing you at one of our future events.